Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another multi-tool review. Today I have a new Nextool multi-tool. Alright, let's take a look at this. And what is the official name of this one? Nextool Mini Sailor Pliers Lite. Right, this is the Lite model. Now I've already reviewed the regular model. Alright, so now we have numerous models in this Mini Sailor line, right? This is the Mini Sailor, which I've already reviewed, right, with pliers. This is the Mini Sailor scissors model, which I've already reviewed. And now we have the Lite model, which is that one. Now you're probably thinking, what is the difference between the Lite model and just the regular Mini Sailor? I'll show you. So the Mini Sailor has these two tools that the Lite model does not have. Right? The Mini Sailor has all those tools, plus it has a combo opener tool, right? Dual opener tool, and a knife blade. Whereas the Lite model does not have those two tools, right? So this does not have a knife, it weighs less, and it is not as thick, right? That's why they're calling it the Lite. Now this would be particularly useful if you're going somewhere where they don't allow any type of knife at all, even a small one, right? Now here you can see the difference in thickness, right? This is the regular model, pretty thick, and this is the Lite model, right? So, not as thick, and it's just a little bit lighter and easier to carry. So that's a good idea to give you the option of a bladeless Lite model. It's got a squashed Phillips screwdriver, or flattened. It's got a flathead screwdriver, a bottle opener, a SIM card poker, scissors. That spacer there is what they're calling the fluorescent block. I think it glows in the dark, so you can find this on your keychain. Alright, here are those mini pliers with wire cutters as well. So there you see the entire tool set. Now none of those tools lock, and as you can see, you know, those tools have nail nicks as your openers. Alright, this is an Emerson knife, the screwdrivers. Alright, so flathead screwdriver. See that? Now we got some weird lighting in the early morning, but you can see that. Alright, so we loosened the pivot screw. I'll tighten that pivot screw. Alright, how's that doing? A little tighter. Alright, so a screwdriver is always useful. The screwdriver also has a bottle opener. I don't have any bottles out here, so I'm going to roll in some footage from back home using that bottle opener. This bud's for you. Alright, it just started raining. We're basically fixing to have thunderstorms in about 2 minutes, but there you go. Alright, and the other screwdriver, which just happens to fit the screw on this. Alright, so we loosen that. Let's tighten that back down. Alright, there you go. Now the SIM card poker, you can actually just use that to puncture things if you need to, kind of like a small needle. Okay, here are the mini scissors on some twine. Here are the mini scissors on some paracord. Now I've already tested these, so I know what it's going to do. Basically it can cut the paracord, but you kind of have to work your way through like that. Alright, but it can do it. Alright, hold on. Alright, so you see that? Not bad. And here are the mini scissors on a zip tie. Alright. So you saw that? And again, you kind of have to get it started, and then it will cut all the way through. Okay, here are the wire cutters cutting easy wire. Alright, this is the easy wire. There you go. And here they are on a little more difficult wire. Still does it. Now the little mini pliers have all sorts of typical uses, basically reaching in and gripping things, turning. Here's a little, it's like a snap-off type utility knife that I have, right? So for example, if you need to grip something strongly, break it off, there you go. You know, it can be useful just for holding things in place like so, turning things. You know the drill. All the tools work pretty well. It's a minimalist tool set, but it's very useful. You know, small screwdrivers, scissors, mini pliers. You know, a bladeless mini multi-tool is a good idea because, you know, most people just carry a dedicated folding knife anyway. Right, so this will save you a little bit of weight and a little bit of bulk. Yeah, so this is for people who maybe you have the mini sailor, but you don't really use the knife on it, and you don't really use the can opener on that, right? So then why have them when you can carry this, which is not as thick and is even lighter? All right, my people, well, I hope you enjoyed seeing this new little mini multi-tool review. I will include useful links to all the Nextool multi-tools in the description of the video. Subscribe if you like reviews of multi-tools, knives, swords, tomahawks, air guns, and all stuff like that. This has been We All Juggle Knives and Multi-Tools. I'm out.